Now, I know what you're thinking. Tammy, how do you expect me to turn this into this? Well, don't you worry your pretty little head about it, because I'm going to show you right now. So for this little two-piece feed, we're going to separate our chicken leg into a thigh and a drumstick. We want to coat our chicken well with salt, and then we're going to be chucking it into our secret weapon. We're going to be sous videing these bad boys for 4 hours at 60°C for the most amazing, juicy, tender chicken you've ever had. If you've never tried sous vide for yourself at home, I'll tell you what, you're missing out. Okay, next up's our dredge. I'm starting with half a cup of coconut milk, about 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, and a decent amount of sea salt. Next up, we're going to start adding some flour to thicken out our dredge. We're looking for the consistency of a pancake mix here, nothing too thick, but enough to hold onto the chicken. Then we're adding in a teaspoon of cumin, a teaspoon of coriander, a teaspoon of smoked paprika, and half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We're also going to add in a teaspoon of onion powder and a good amount of black pepper. In a separate bowl, we're going to season our flour with some salt and pepper. I also like to add in about a teaspoon of paprika and some red chili flakes. Give that a quick stir to combine, and that is our flour and dredge done. So it's been 4 hours now and our chicken is well and truly done. We're going to get these guys onto some paper towel and pat them dry to make sure all the moisture off the surface is gone. Next up, we're going to coat our chicken in a good amount of that flour. You want to make sure you get every single nook and crevice on here. The better coated this is, the more awesome it's going to be. So then we're going to dip our chicken straight into our dredge, and then the same deal here guys, you're going to want to make sure it's coated really well, and then straight back into our flour for another really good coating. This step is really important guys, it's where KOC gets its really crispy, craggly coating from. Now it's time to fry up these bad boys. I'm using my deep fryer, but if you don't have a deep fryer, you can do this in a pot and stove. Because our chicken is already pre-cooked, I've got my deep fryer going as high as it'll go, which is 190 degrees Celsius. We don't need to worry about cooking our chicken through, all we need to do is get a really crispy coating on the outside there. And of course, good southern fried chicken deserves all the accoutrements. I'm finishing these guys off with some homemade pickled cucumbers and carrots. So as you guys can see, cooking healthy takeaway options at home doesn't have to be hard. With a little bit of practice, you can be making home southern fried chicken as good as any of them. And there you have it guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see me cook next down below. I have been Tammy, you have been amazing, and let's get better together. Bye!